Today we'll be checking out a model in a new home community in Vero Beach, but they also offer to build some of these homes in Palm Beach, Port St. Lucie, and Stuart. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Raphael Gonzalez and I'm a real estate agent that specializes in new construction. So if you're looking for a new home here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and reach out to me and I'll be able to help you. So here we have the Stardom model. The Stardom is going to give you 2,269 square feet under air and comes standard with 2 master suites in the rear on either side of the home. But on this model, they decided to turn the second master into 2 smaller bedrooms and a hallway bathroom. You'll have a den and a powder room in the front of the home, a very wide open living space, and you can turn the workshop space in the garage into a full 3rd bay. There are a lot of customizations that you can do to this home, like you can even add a cabana bath or make the sliding glass door pocket into the wall. And they offer this home design in multiple different communities in Port St. Lucie and Palm Beach. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in their communities. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. So I hope you enjoyed this home, and as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into South Florida and wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.